Maximizing Life, your ultimate guide to harnessing time for success. In the tapestry of life, time is the thread that weaves our dreams into reality. Each passing moment is an opportunity, a gift that, when used wisely, has the power to shape our destinies. This exploration delves into the profound concept that time is your greatest asset, unraveling the strategies and examples that illuminate the path toward achieving your dreams. 1. Understanding the value of time. Time is finite. Time is a non-renewable resource. Unlike money or possessions, you can't earn it back once it's spent. Recognizing the finite nature of time is the first step in understanding its immense value. Example, Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs, co-founder of Apple Inc., famously said, "Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life." His impactful words resonate with the notion that time is a precious asset that should be invested in pursuits that align with your passions and goals. 2. Setting clear goals. Define your dreams. Setting clear goals is like charting a course for your life. It provides direction, purpose, and a roadmap to help you make the most of your time. Example, Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey's journey from a local news anchor to a media mogul exemplifies the power of setting clear goals. Her vision and determination to create meaningful content led her to use her time strategically, resulting in a transformative impact on the media industry. 3. Prioritizing tasks effectively. The Eisenhower Matrix. Prioritizing tasks is a key time management skill. The Eisenhower Matrix, a tool attributed to President Dwight D. Eisenhower, categorizes tasks into 4 quadrants based on urgency and importance. Example, Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, is known for his disciplined approach to prioritization. By focusing on the most important tasks that align with his long-term goals, Buffett has maximized the impact of his time. 4. Learning to say no. The power of no. Saying no is a powerful skill that allows you to protect your time from non-essential commitments. It's about setting boundaries and preserving your energy for activities that truly matter. Example, Bill Gates. Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft, is renowned for his ability to say no to distractions. Despite his immense wealth, Gates values his time and directs his efforts toward philanthropy and projects that align with his vision for global improvement. 5. Embracing continuous learning. Read widely. Continuous learning broadens your perspectives, enhances your skills, and opens new avenues for personal and professional growth. Example, Elon Musk. Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind SpaceX and Tesla, is an avid reader. Musk's commitment to learning and applying knowledge has been a driving force behind his ability to revolutionize multiple industries within a relatively short time frame. 6. Effective time blocking. Time blocking technique. Time blocking involves dedicating specific blocks of time to particular tasks or activities. This helps maintain focus and prevents multitasking, which can be a major time drain. Example, Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin, one of the founding fathers of the United States, was an early advocate of time blocking. His daily schedule included dedicated time slots for work, reflection, and self-improvement, showcasing the effectiveness of this timeless technique. Now let's talk about the magic like button down below. If you've been enjoying the content so far, give that like button a gentle tap. It's like giving me a high five, and it really helps the channel. 7. Embracing technology for efficiency. Leveraging productivity tools. In the digital age, numerous productivity tools and apps can streamline tasks and enhance efficiency. Example, Tim Ferriss. Tim Ferriss, author and entrepreneur, is known for optimizing his time with the help of productivity tools. Ferriss's experimentation with different tools and techniques, as shared in his book, The 4-Hour Workweek, demonstrates how technology can be harnessed to save time and increase effectiveness. 8. Building a support system. Delegate and collaborate. Recognizing when to delegate tasks or collaborate with others is a skill that allows you to leverage collective strengths and achieve more in less time. Example, Richard Branson. Richard Branson, the founder of the Virgin Group, attributes part of his success to effective delegation. By entrusting responsibilities to capable team members, Branson has been able to focus on strategic aspects of his business and various ventures. 9. Cultivating work-life balance, balancing personal and professional life. Achieving a healthy work-life balance is essential for sustained success. It involves allocating time not only to career pursuits, but also to personal well-being, relationships, and leisure. Example, Sheryl Sandberg. Sheryl Sandberg, the chief operating officer of Facebook, emphasizes the importance of work-life balance. Her advocacy for creating supportive work environments has influenced company cultures globally, promoting a holistic approach to time management. 10. Mindfulness and time mastery. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment. Incorporating mindfulness practices into your routine can enhance focus and decision-making. Example, Arianna Huffington. Arianna Huffington, co-founder of the Huffington Post, is a proponent of mindfulness. Her journey to well-being, as documented in her book Thrive, underscores the transformative impact of incorporating mindfulness into daily life. 11. Sustaining momentum. Continuous progress. Consistency is the key to unlocking the full potential of your time. Regular, incremental progress compounds over time, leading to significant achievements. Example, James Clear. James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, emphasizes the power of small habits and consistent effort. His insights into habit formation and continuous improvement align with the idea that sustained momentum is built through daily intentional actions. 12. Adapting to change. Flexibility in planning. While strategic planning is crucial, the ability to adapt to unforeseen circumstances is equally important. Embracing flexibility allows you to navigate change with resilience. Example, Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon, is known for his ability to adapt to changing market dynamics. Amazon's evolution from an online bookstore to a global e-commerce giant reflects Bezos's commitment to adapting strategies as circumstances evolve. Conclusion. In the symphony of life, your utilization of time orchestrates the melodies that resonate with your dreams and aspirations. The journey toward achieving your dreams is not a linear path. It's a dynamic, evolving narrative shaped by strategic choices, adaptability, and a profound understanding of the value of time. As you navigate this journey, may the lessons from visionaries and trailblazers inspire you to wield time as your greatest asset, crafting a life of purpose, impact, and fulfillment. Harness the wisdom of the ages and forge ahead, for time, when embraced with intention, becomes the brushstroke that paints the masterpiece of your existence. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration. If you found this content intriguing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating intersections of psychology, inspiration, health, motivation, wellness, and different perspective topics. Until next time, take care of your mind, body, and soul.